Okay, hey guys, it's Paul from BabelTEQ, and in this video, I'm going to talk about integration of your calendar with Google Calendar. I've had a few people asking me about how to do that, whether that's possible, and after looking into it over a while, I'm going to have to say that that's perhaps something that we cannot do. The the steps involved in connecting our calendar with Google Calendar, it's pretty complicated, and even in the best case scenario, I think it's probably not something that we can support. I've looked at Zapier and Pabbly Connect and other webhook type third-party tools like that. However, what I want to suggest is another method if you really do want to connect your bookings with your Google Calendar. What I suggest is to use a service called Calendly. Some of you may be familiar with that already. So Calendly, when you create an account with Calendly, it gives you an easy way to sync that with your Google Calendar. I believe that when you sign up for your account, one of the options is to sign in with your Google account. And if you do that, it should automatically connect those two services. So if we take a look at the Calendly page, so this is the Calendly. This is their pricing page. So they do have a free plan, and there's a couple of premium plans. So the basic plan, $0 per month. So you get you get your meeting calendar. They do meeting notifications. You can embed that calendar on your website, which is what we're going to do in this video. And it says here, connect to Google Calendar, and also some other options as well, iCloud Calendar and so on. And they have connections with Zoom, so you can create your Zoom links through that automatically as well. If you want to accept payments through Calendly, you are going to need you're going to need to get this plan, collect payments with Stripe and PayPal. That's their pro plan. So anyway, so what I'm going to show you is how to connect your Calendly account with your website and the Calendly booking calendar, which you will need to set up that connection with Google Calendar yourself. But I'm going to show you how you can embed the actual Calendly booking calendar on your website. So I've got a free account here. So because I've got a free account, I've only got the one calendar type. If you've got one of the pro Calendly packages, then you can select multiple calendar types. So I think here it says if you're on the $8 per month plan, you get 2 calendar types, and if you're on $12 a month, six calendar types. But we're on the free one. So what I'm going to do is I want to share this calendar. So if I click on share and add to website, I don't like these two options so much. I think they're a bit lame, but what we want is this one, embed inline, add a scheduling page to your site. Okay, and all we need to do is just copy this code, this embed code. So let's copy that. Now, if I come over to my website, okay, so here I'm on the trial lesson booking page. So what I will want to do is activate the BabelTEQ page editor. And so you'll notice here we have, if I click on it, so this is a HTML module, and it's using this short code. So it says Amelia Booking. So Amelia is the name of the plugin that we are using on this site. and service equals 4. So service equals 4 relates to this trial class where I've set up a trial lesson, 50-minute lesson for free, price equals 0. So what I'm going to do instead, because we're on the HTML module, if I delete that and paste in that Calendly embed script that they gave us, if I save that, and you can see it's already populated. So if I hit done and publish, so there we go. So now I've got a Calendly booking calendar on here. Somebody wants to book a lesson with me through this, they can book a time, and that's all synced to my Google Calendar. Now, if I'm on the Pro plan, the Premium Pro plan, what I will have, of course, is this booking page to book a lesson. When I say a booking page, it's actually a page to sell a complete course. So I'm selling a package, I should say, a package of 10 weeks worth of lessons. And so when the students go through and complete this, they get redirected over to a thank you page. And on this thank you page, this is where it says, thank you, book your appointments now. So we've already got the money and we're just asking them to book the 10 lessons that they've purchased. And that's where I'm using this service type, ID equals 6. This is the 10-week course. It's also price equals 0 because we've already got the money through that course sales form that you just saw. So we don't need to charge again. That's why it's 0. Yes. So what I want to do is replace this calendar, the BabelTEQ calendar, with the Calendly calendar form. So if I go to the BabelTEQ page editor. Okay, so one thing to point out here is you can see here we're using the text edit module, and this is perhaps a little bit of an inconsistency, but the short code here that you can see, these short codes work either with an HTML module or a text editor module. However, the script that we want to embed does require the HTML module. So what I'm going to do is just delete this. Do I want to delete this module? Yes, and I want to add in the HTML module. So search HTML, that's it. Drag that out, put that in there, and then paste in the Calendly embed script. Now you will want to make sure that you're embedding the script which relates to the calendar that you want to use. In my case, it's easy because I only have one Calendly calendar. So hit save, and there we go. So done, publish. Just give it a refresh. There you go. So that's fine. So now if somebody purchases my 10-week course and they arrive at this thank you page, they can then go through and start booking out those 10 lessons that they've just purchased. They can start planning those, and that will sync to your calendar, your Google Calendar, if you've already created that integration on Calendly. So I hope that all makes sense. If you have any questions, please let me know. Stop sharing. All right, so thanks again. Bye for now.